good, YouTube? This is your girl, you know who, Wife Love Luxury. So I'm back today with another video, and today's video is going to be on my SLG's collection. I'm not going in any particular order. I'm just going to pick up something, and hopefully I remember the name of it because it's been a while since I had some of these things. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to show you is my Louis Vuitton Monogram Ballerina Victoria wallet. I think that's it. Don't quote me, but here she is. She has the pink in her. Currently using this one here as now. So that's why it's full with my cards and stuff in it. There's nothing on the back. The next one is my Louis Vuitton Monogram Invasion Pochette. Here's the chain. Here is the picture on it. Here is the back of it. Okay. The next one is my Louis Vuitton 6 keyring holder in a ballerina color. When I say I use this one, you all, I use this one. I don't baby it, and I can foresee me getting another one because if you look at the wear and tear on it, I used the hell out of it. I'm sorry. So that is that. The next one is my Louis Vuitton reverse wallet. Card holder. And I'm currently using this now, so that's why it's packed with all my cards. I love this one here. The next one is a Chanel item, and it's this here, and this is called the, well, I don't know. It's the card holder. I know it's the Caviar print with the silver hardware. So that is that one. The next Chanel is this one here. And this is called the Chanel Caviar Quilted Zip Card Holder in black. And it has the silver hardware. Okay. Let's see. The next one is another Chanel item. And this one is called the Chanel Indents Caviar Quilted Classic. And it doesn't have the ones with the pockets on the back. It just has this one in the front here. And I have in here my authenticity card. And a dollar bill with a 7 on it. And if you can remember what I said in one of my previous videos, I always keep a dollar with the number 7 on it in all of them. So that's that. Let's see, I did those. The next one is the, I know I'm not going to remember the name of this one. I haven't that long got it. It was the 3 set here. I can't remember the name of it. I ain't even going to try. So this is another small leather good I have. Okay. The next one is my Louis Vuitton Monogram Sunglass case. Okay. This one is my Louis Vuitton, this is in the Noir color. This is the Empreinte wallet. And I got, what I got in it? Some papers. Just some papers in there. It has the card slots right here where you put your cards in. Like I said, that's the Empreinte and Noir color. The next one is the Noir keyhole chain. And inside of here, just the chain for your key. This is in the Noir color. Has a zipper on the back. Inside of here, I have some pennies and another dollar with, oh, this has an 8 on it. That's shocking. Okay. So, we might have to spin that one and put a 7 in there. The next one is my Louis Vuitton Demir Bean wallet. This is another one that I got stamped with my name on it when I went to Vegas. It says D. And as you can see, I have the dollar right there. And this has the 7 on it. I guess 7 is just my lucky number, you guys. So, yeah, that's this one. The next one is my Demir Bean key clay. And this one is some coins and the keep holder. And once again, a dollar with the 7s on it. I'm almost finished. I'm getting there. The next one is the Louis Vuitton. This is the Dimiera Bean print. I cannot think of the name of it. I can't think of the name of it. I'm sorry. But this is the card holder here and here. It's like, it's, you know how it be on the tip of your tongue and you know it, but you just can't, it just won't come out. That's what it is. And you put your money in there. It has slots here and there. I'm sorry, you guys, if I've forgotten the name of some of these items, but I do know the print, and if I do remember them, I'm going to tell you. The next one is the Louis Vuitton Insulin wallet. I'm trying to remember, and it's in this color, cream, and it has all the card holders here and here. The monogram print is just one canvas. Okay. This one here is the Louis Vuitton key clay in the trunk print, I think it was, with the brown on it. I think it was the trunk print. Yeah, that's what it says. It says Louis Vuitton trunk and bags. As you can see, it don't had some wear on it from rubbing against stuff that would be in the purse. And it goes from here all the way up. And just open up inside like that. And then the little key clay. Some of these I don't even use anymore. They just sit in front of my bags in my glass case. The next one is my Louis Vuitton monogram coin purse, slouch, whatever. And in here, I just have a key to something. I don't remember what it goes to. Uh-oh. My glass screws. My price chopper card. Something for an iPhone. That's it. I really hadn't been carrying this neither. It's just been in the glass case also. The next one is the Louis Vuitton Demir Bean. It's the trunk and bags also collection, but this one's with the red. Same thing, you can see is some of it done rubbed off from all the other items when it be in your purse, rubbing against each other. Just some things that you can wipe off, like your glasses. And in here I had some little stones. I don't know if you can see on my birthstone colors, and I was going to have these two put as earrings and then this one put in a necklace. I just haven't gotten to it. Actually, I forgot it was even in there, to be honest. So that's what I have in there. We're down to the last three. The next one is my Louis Vuitton luggage tag, and I had this printed with the letter D on it when I went to Vegas also. Hopefully it's not blurry or you can kind of read it. Okay. The next one is the Louis Vuitton Monogram toiletry in the size 26. And I do have a chain on her. And inside of her I have I got this off of Amazon, and it was an organizer for the toiletry 26. And inside is just like this, and the chain hooks on right there on the side, and the other chain hooks on this side of it, and then it just goes right back inside up here. And I actually got that idea. I watched a video, and I want to say her name was Snow777. I love her videos, and she has great ideas of how to wear her bag. So yeah, as you can see, that's how I'm able to keep the chain on the bag. It's a good going out. You can use it as a going out bag, or you could probably even wear it crossbody. It fits like right here on my hip if I decided to wear it crossbody. I haven't yet, but it's an idea. So like I said, this is the Monogram 26 toiletry bag. And last but not least, I have my Louis Vuitton, what is this thing called? Louis Vuitton planner in the Dimiera bean, the MM size. As you can see, she is full. I have all kinds of stuff in here, you guys. Trying to see if I can hold it up to you. I just go through, I decorate each section, I label each section. That's my boo. This one says weekly. The next one says finance. The next tab just says YouTube. And these are some pictures we just took when we was messing around at the main event. This says Chanel. So they're just different little tabs. This one is just a plain to do. So I just decorated with all kind of things. I have one section that says bills. And I got the letters from Walmart. And then I laminated it. And then this says WL. I can't remember what that stood for. The next one says savings, blessed by God, spoiled by me. And the last one, excuse me, is one that says notes up here. So I always have fun just going through and decorating it and, you know, writing in it. I used to carry it like in my purse, but I stopped carrying it in my purse. I'll just leave it in my work bag, or I'll leave it at home on my desk and come home and write in it. So you guys, that will do it for my SLG collection. But I'm not done yet. Hold on. Y'all thought I was done, huh? Y'all gonna be and get a unboxing. I didn't tell y'all I had an unboxing, but your girl has an unboxing. So let's do this. It is a SLG also, so I only think it's right to go ahead and unbox it while I'm doing this collection. So that was hard to get into. Okay. So, you guys, this item came from Fashionphile. I've had it probably about 2 weeks now, and it's just been sitting on my desk, waiting to decide when I wanted to unbox it. Wasn't in any hurry. And here is the inside of it. They did send me a calendar with it. So this is the 2021 calendar Fashionphile. In the month of January, they had the Chanel pillows. And in the month of February is this one here. And each month they just got something different at the top. So that is that. And in here is your receipt. Oh, I must have really been special because guess what? They sent me 2 of them. Okay. 1 package and 2 calendars. Okay. I'm trying not to get the confetti everywhere. Okay. They also sent me a fingernail file. I like my money where I can see it, hang it in my closet. True statement. Okay. Like I said, this is where your receipt is at, and confetti's going everywhere. Okay. Here is the packet. Use is the new. And if you've been watching my videos, you know what's been my favorite here lately. And that should give you a hint of what's in here. Here is the drawback box. Turn it the right way. And you know Fashionphile always give you their dust bag also. Here is the dust bag. If you think you know what it is, leave me a comment down below and let me know you was right or you was wrong. Be honest. And what your girl picked up was an Louis Vuitton Monogram XL strap, purse strap. And the reason why I picked this up, 2 reasons. One, I had something in layaway that needed a strap, and so I picked it up for that reason. So I haven't gotten it out yet, but I did go ahead and get the strap out. And 2, also I want to try it with my Palm Springs mini backpack in the reverse print and see how that looks, since I like carrying it just up and down. So that is it this time for real, you guys. So on that note, like I always say, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, share my video, let me know that you're watching my video, help your girl get her views up. So until the next time,